Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, it's been a very long time, but we're going to be unboxing the March edition of Glossybox. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. So I want to start off and say that right now I am in the middle of doing a full face of dewy products, dewy foundation, a luminous radiant. I'm finally doing my full face of like dewy skin products so you guys can see what it's like on oily skin, and I have some thoughts, but we're in the middle of a wear test, so if my foundation and everything just looks like pure shit, that is why. But here we are today. We're doing the unboxing of the Glossybox March edition. I think the last time I unboxed this, I want to say it was like September, October. I honestly don't remember. I just know that I didn't really care for the box because it's just so much skincare, and I let the company know that, and they just stopped sending it to me, which was completely fine. Like, I totally understood. I wasn't giving them the most positive reviews, and then they reached out to me again back in like 2 weeks ago. I asked me if I wanted to try out the March box, and I said sure, I'll give it a go. Maybe it's stepped up, maybe my preferences changed, who knows. But I do know that this does retail for $21 a month. You guys can use code Allie, which will make your first box $16. And yeah, I will have the link down below in case you guys want to sign up. The link automatically has my code generated into it. So literally when you first buy it, it should automatically just be $16 for your first box. Otherwise it is $21. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this. I have no idea what we're getting. I don't even know what the spoilers are at all. Ooh, she's cute. I do miss these boxes. They're so pretty. So I do love how they actually like wrap everything in here. I think that's actually really nice. So I'm gonna like unwrap this little fanciness. And the first thing I see is Pretty Pleasure. So you can see a little sneak peek products that you got in here, what the full size value is. They had the very front macaroons. You know, I actually don't care for macaroons. Is that bad? All right, so first things first, we're pulling out a Car Cosmetics lip gloss. So this retails for $18, and this is the full-size products. This is Sugar and Spice Gloss. It says this Dusty Rose Beige Nude Lip Gloss provides a beautiful shine that complements any skin tone. Its non-sticky formula and sweet vanilla cupcake scent will give your lips a long-lasting gloss. Ooh, that's actually cute though. Well, you can't really see it on my hand too much, but it has a little bit of a smell. Maybe I'm not smelling it, or maybe my products are just so overwhelming my face I can't smell it, but I don't taste anything. But I do think it's cool they did put a makeup product in here, and this is a full-size product that retails for $18, so you're almost paying for the box itself. And it's a nude lip gloss I think you could put on top of any sort of liquid lip that you have, or wear it by itself, but that's pretty cool. Next, we have an item from First Aid Beauty. This is the Deluxe Mini, and then this is an Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Oh, I could have used you like 5 minutes ago. Filled with nourishing ingredients, including shea butter and, oh my God, Clado oatmeal. Those fresh citrus scented moisturizer relieve your skin feeling comfortable and hydrated after just one use. So the deluxe size of this is $5. So this is worth $5, and the full size of this is $36. This is intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Where were you like an hour ago when I was literally doing a full face of dewy skincare products? I could have used you. All right, that is so cool. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to like a No Waste Wednesday, just because I am not a dry, parched skin. I have like mounds of oil and grease, like from like Steak and Shake. You know how that nasty greasy food, that's how my face produces oil. It's just like that. So I do not need this product in the slightest, but I do think it's really cool they're adding First Aid Beauty in here. It's a brand that I've always been interested in trying, especially since Paige always talks about this brand so much. She loves them, so that's actually cool. All right, next we have a Golden Eye 24K Gold Hydrogel Patch. This retails for $6. The full size of this is $54. And it says 24K Gold Skincare. Yes, please. This incredible gel eye patches are the golden ticket in preventing collagen loss. They increase elasticity and blood flow to the skin, reducing premature aging, and will make you feel like a queen. me feel like a queen. I'm gonna have to give this one a try, especially since, you know, you can't, can you get rid of that? Can you get rid of the crow's feet? I guess you could do Botox. Could you imagine? Oh, that'd be so weird. All right, cool. All right, next we have a Claudel. This is the Vinyl Perfect Radiant Serum. This retails for $26. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. What the crap? This retails for $26. The full size of this is $79. I would never, ever, ever pay $26 for this deluxe mini. Okay, it says both effective and natural. This best-selling skin tone evening serum works to reduce the appearance of dark spots, including pregnancy marks, acne marks, and sun pigmentation. Its patented key ingredients is 62 times more effective than Invite Kit at boosting radiance. Oh, okay, that's actually really, really cool. So I don't know how much of use I will get out of this. I don't suffer from any dark spots or hyper like sun pigmentation. However, my best friend did have 2 kids. I know she has some like marks on her belly, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this to her. I hope this can really help any sort of markation that she is, you know, sensitive about, even though she shouldn't be, because she like literally has the best job in the world, and she, you know, did one of the hardest things a woman could ever do, and I'm so freaking proud of her, and I'm like, rock your marks proudly. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this to her. I hope this has some beneficial properties. I hope it really does work, especially for the price point, but that is really cool. I know this is like a really expensive brand too, so awesome. All right, next we have this big boy. This is so they have one on here, and it says the Bergamot and Jasmine No Rinse Hand Cleanser. But this is a Granium and Petiagram Hand Balm. So it says right here, this is an extra treat soon skincare single treatment. Products may vary on this one. So this looks like be like a full size. It is a hand balm, and it's like a weird ass container. But yeah, I don't have it came out like a turd. A deep, nourishing balm ideal for hardworking hands. Shea butter, jojoba, and sweet almond oil to help hydrate, nourish, and revive tired or dry skin. While the something essential oils leave hands delicately fragrant and feeling beautifully soft. Okay. Well, again, this is something I'm going to pass on to my best friend. She has super, super dry hands. I think it's because she like washes her hands like every 2 seconds. So it makes her skin really, really dry. So I'm going to pass this on to her. I think it's going to be really great at nourishing her hands, because I'm always trying to help her find products to help with her dry hands. And I think she can carry this in her pocket at work. But oh my gosh, guys, I'm not kidding when I say that this is like so like slippery. I couldn't open up anything after this. Like, my gosh, it took forever to seep into the skin. Okay, so last but not least, we do have a Clean It Zero. This is a cleansing balm, pore clarifying. So it says this sherbet-like balm will remove even tough waterproof makeup without stripping or drying out your skin. Its tri-peel acid blend, that's AHA, BHA, and LHA, helps remove dead skin cells, clears pores, and gently exfoliates. This right here retails for $3, but the full size does retail for $22. I actually do have one sitting right here as well. So I've always wanted to give this one a go, because it's anything that has to do with like pore clarifying, I'm all about, because I definitely want to make sure that my skin is nice and clear. I have very, very large craters on my face when it comes to pores. It is what it is. So anything I can do to help it is greatly, greatly appreciated. So that is everything that we got in this box. Now, I know this box is generally really geared towards skincare. I know something that people love seeing. I know people give me crap all the time on my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm for not enjoying as much skincare. But I want to let you guys know that if you guys are looking for skincare, this is definitely the box to go for. It's $21. You do mostly get deluxe size in here. It is kind of expensive for what it is, but they do tend to add some full-size products in here. I mean, technically, this Claudel and this lip gloss equals way over the value of the box. Like I said, if you use code Allie, it would make your first box $16. It's not affiliated. I don't get paid or anything like that, just so you guys know. But overall, I mean, I definitely think that if you're really into skincare, this is definitely the box to go. If you're not into skincare, definitely skip out on this box. I'm okay with this box this month, surprisingly enough. I really am trying to change up my skincare routine to really try to minimize my appearance, like my pores, and try to control the oil because it is going into the summer season. And right now, I've been obsessed with Good Molecules. I love Good Molecules. I use them all the time. But it's always nice to try something a little differently. Is this my favorite box? No, not in the slightest. You guys know how I feel about like getting a ton of skincare. But I think the really cool thing about this is that most of the skincare that you're getting are sample sizes. So it's not like you're getting a full size, which would be great, but you're not, you just get to try it out and see if you really like it. So that's always the way to go, but it's definitely not my favorite subscription box in the world. You guys already know that, but I still really appreciate it that they sent my way. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It allows me to pass items on to you guys or my friends or some stuff for myself. Like I think that this lip gloss would be really cool, and I want to try these eye patches. So yeah, thank you Glossybox so much for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. So this is just a really quick, short video. I really want to wash my face, but I can't. We have to wait all day. But yeah, so this is just a quick, short video for you guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's Art for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to do this. I could not do this without each and every single one of you. And to my viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you thumbs down this video, you subscribed, you didn't subscribe, either way, I cannot say thank you enough for being here. I love each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Guys can use code Allie, which will take you. I'm so hungry. I'm sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddies.